Hey everybody, John Ryback here at the Wellbridge Clinic, and today I want to talk about sprained ankles. I'm here with Jim, and he's been kind enough for me to show all of you how to take care of a sprained ankle or any other injury that you might experience using a couple really important tricks that Chinese medicine and herbal pharmaceuticals can do for you. It's COVID time, it's May, so right now I'm speaking to you through a N95 mask and making sure we're reaching out to y'all and making sure you're healthy. So, about 2 weeks ago, Jim twisted his ankle pretty bad. He went into the emergency room. He had an x-ray, no problem. Heard some pops, really big swelling. It's the type of sprain that many of us have experienced. I even did it last week myself. And this is something that I did. One, I got acupuncture because it really helps all the contributing muscles and tendons to reduce inflammation and reduce tension, because the muscle's going to cramp up here and cause more tension down here. There's a couple other steps that we'll always do. And what I want to show you today is a trauma liniment. And this is something that is really common to martial artists. Martial artists have been using trauma liniments, which is an herbal concoction in an alcohol base. It's a tincture, topical only. You do not drink this one, or it will hurt bad. You can buy it from a couple martial arts companies. We make our own here at the clinic. It's modified off of probably 1,000-year-old formula. If you have any questions, make sure that you comment in the YouTube feed below, and we can communicate about some of the specifics that you might have questions about. But this is also called a Jow, a Jit Jow. And so here's how we're going to use a Jow for Jim. I'm going to send him home with a bottle of the Jow, this Trauma Linament, this lotion. And we're going to show you and him for his family so that they can dress his sprained ankle so he gets better quicker, because we want to make sure that we're staying active in this all. So economy of the lotion is important. So we have some thin gauze. You can buy this at your local store, at like any little, in the pharmacy section of your Rite Aid, whatever, wherever you end up. You're just going to take a little bit of this. And careful, it does stain. Please keep in mind, it will stain. So there's a couple tricks I'm going to show you so you don't make a mess. One, cover up the area. Don't use a white towel unless you work in a clinic. And then you're just going to get it. I would do this over a sink if I wasn't making a video. You're going to make that almost so it drips. So when you squeeze it, it drips. And then you're going to set it down. So it's pretty damp. If I squeezed it, I could get maybe a drip out of it. And I hope you can see that. Not real good on my lighting today. My video team will be rolling their eyes at me. But this is a real video, and I'm trying to make sure that you guys have all the tools you need, production value aside. So Jim twisted his ankle here. We want to make sure that we get it covered up pretty well. I'll probably make another one. We're going to lay it in there just make sure it lays against the skin. Yeah, I'm going to make another one here before this one's going to fall right off here. Maybe it'll stick. And I'll make another one just to cover this area. This whole area might hurt, but the actual tissues that are damaged are right there. Okay. We just wanted to get that to soak in through the skin, transdermally, across the skin. Nice and warm. It feels warm, and the skin feels warm, But the poultice, this lotion that I'm putting on, it feels cool, so it will be refreshing. And it's pharmacologically active. So if anybody has any questions about herbal medicine, it's really just a matter of, do you believe in chemistry or not? Because the body doesn't mind. It's just a matter of, are the chemicals appropriate? So the next trick, people often come to the clinic and go, well, John, why do you have saran wrap in a clinic? Well, this is why. We want that poultice to go into the skin, not into your couch. So you're going to take a little saran wrap and lay it over there. And so all that goodness goes into the tissues that need help. We're going to take a nice piece of athletic tape and Jim's probably not going to be real active today, so we don't have to tape it down really hard. It's not like somebody is going to run right out and go to football practice or something. So we're just getting it on there so it doesn't cut off circulation, but it also makes it stay put. So we got that top bit. You might get a little dribble that comes out here at the bottom. No big deal. Not going to worry about that too much. We got the basics down. This is going to bring down the swelling. A couple acupuncture treatments will enhance the healing because of all the associated muscles, like I said. You want to flex? Not too bad? Not too bad? All right. And that is a poultice using a Chinese medicine, herbal liniment, also called trauma linament or a trauma lotion. And in Chinese or Cantonese, you might call it a Jit Jow. Forgive me for my poor pronunciation in any time when speaking in another language. I'm not a professional linguist, but this makes a difference. Hope everybody's doing all right out there, staying healthy. If you are in pain, don't endure. There are options out there, and I hope this video served you well. If you liked it, be sure to subscribe because we try to keep it real. And click down here and subscribe, and be sure to give us a like, make a comment. We do appreciate the conversation. It's great to see you all. Have a happy day. Bye-bye.